Today we are making herb butter roasted chicken with mushroom pan sauce, honey orange rainbow vegetables, and creamy green stuffed sweet potatoes.
We're cooking with love tonight. Measure it out. Don't rush it now. Got one whole chicken. Got one whole chicken. 4 to 5 pounds. 6 tablespoons butter, gonna spread it all around. 2 tablespoons olive oil, let it glide. 4 cloves, garlic grated up inside. 1/4 cup parsley, fresh and green. 1 tablespoon thyme, know what I mean. Lemon zest, Sprite, wake it up right. 3 tablespoons juice, bring the flavor to life. No salt, but it's seasoned just right. Grace in every step tonight. He measured it with grace. Every step, every taste, from a little to a lot. He blessed what I got, now it's rich. So rich, so rich, so rich. Every flavor got a purpose in this. When you follow every part, he'll fill up your heart. Hey, 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 he'll fill up your heart. Hey, 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 hey. 2 teaspoons herb blend, no sodium needed. 1.5 black pepper, believe it. 1 teaspoon paprika, color so bold. 2 teaspoons mushroom powder, flavor like gold. 1 yellow onion, quarter it down. 3 carrots cut, spread them around. Celery if you want, build that base. 1 cup stock, let it all embrace. Hey, build it up, layer by layer. You can feel his presence there. He measured it with grace. Hey, every step, every taste, from a little to a lot. He blessed what I got, now it's rich. So rich, so rich, so rich. Every flavor got a purpose in this. When you follow every part, he'll fill up your heart. Woo! Hey, 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 hey. 3 cups cauliflower, let it roast. Let it roast. Green beans trimmed, don't need the most. Red and green peppers, color so bright. 1.5 oil, make it right. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, let it sing. 1.5 herb blend, everything. Now whisk it up, don't hesitate. 3 tablespoons honey on the plate. 1 tablespoon vinegar, balance it out. Orange juice pour, now shout. Mustard pinch, cinnamon light. Every little detail makes it right. I followed every step, and look what he did. Turn simple into glory. Now my table is a testimony. 4 sweet potatoes, bake them down. 3 cups greens, stir it around. 1/2 cup yogurt, creamy and smooth. Green onions dancing in the groove. He did it, he did it. Every measure, perfect fit. He measured it with grace. Every step, every taste, from a little to a lot. He blessed what I got, now it's rich.
Cook with love,
So rich,
serve
so
with grace.
rich. Every flavor got a purpose in this. When you follow every part, you'll fill up your heart. Measure it, stir it, trust him, taste and see. It's everything you need.
Stay prayed up and always be thankful. Happy Resurrection Sunday.